Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why don't I look my best despite my efforts? What if I told you that seemingly harmless habits you do every day are secretly sabotaging your appearance? In this video, I'm revealing the 7 hidden habits that could be ruining your looks without you even knowing. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to fix them and unlock a more confident, radiant you. Let's get started. Habit 1, skipping sleep. Let's talk about sleep. Did you know that sleep is like the ultimate beauty treatment? When you're not getting enough rest, your body can't repair itself. The result? Dark circles, dull skin, and even early wrinkle. Studies show that consistent sleep deprivation accelerates aging and reduces skin elasticity. The fix? Aim for 7 hours of sleep every night. Create a bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and let your body do its magic. Habit 2, touching your face. How often do you touch your face? Every touch transfers dirt and bacteria, causing breakouts and irritation. Even clean hands carry bacteria, which can clog pores and lead to acne. The solution? Keep your hands off your face and sanitize your phone regularly. Small changes can lead to big improvements. Habit 3, dehydration. Dehydration is a sneaky habit. Without enough water, your skin loses its natural glow, becomes flaky, and shows wrinkles more prominently. Water helps flush toxins and keeps your skin plump and elastic. Carry a water bottle and aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Your skin will thank you. Habit 4, poor posture. Posture speaks volumes about you. Slouching not only affects your confidence, but can also make you look older and less attractive. Standing tall boosts your appearance instantly and conveys confidence. Practice good posture daily and incorporate stretches or exercises to improve it. And second item, as of this recording, I have not yet switched to the new exfoliation is key for glowing skin, but overdoing it can leave your skin irritated and damaged. So, too much exfoliation strips your skin's natural barrier, leaving it vulnerable. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week and use a gentle product to avoid damage. Habit 6, ignoring sun protection. Skipping sunscreen is a big mistake. UV rays cause wrinkles, dark spots, and even skin cancer. SPF is your best defense. Use at least SPF 30 daily, rain or shine. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your routine. Habit 7, neglecting oral hygiene. Neglecting oral hygiene impacts your appearance more than you think. A clean smile is key to looking your best. Brush, floss, and visit your dentist regularly. It's a small effort with a big payoff. Your smile is your best accessory. Take care of it. So there you have it, the 7 habits secretly ruining your looks. Skipping sleep, touching your face, dehydration, poor posture, over-exfoliating, ignoring sunscreen, and neglecting oral hygiene. The best part? These habits are completely fixable with a few small changes. Now it's your turn. Which habit will you tackle first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on glowing up and living your best life. Share this with a friend who needs to hear it. See you next time.